Everyone, this is Kitchen Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang ASAP opening prod, which is their Mother's Day special. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. I'm excited to watch this. Baka mapaiyak tayo for today's video. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat, mga mommies! Ay, ang ganda ng suot ni Belle. Ang ganda ng suot ni Belle. Wait, forward natin. Ang ganda ng suot ni Belle, ah. Okay, wait lang. Ifo-forward lang natin yan for today's video. Eto na. Happy Mother's Day, mga mami. GGG. Patingin. Ay. Beneath My Wings something. Anong title nito? Wind Beneath My Wings for today's video. Okay. Wala pa rin si Jonah. Girl. Okay. Wind beneath my... Oh, yung mom niya. Ang lungkot naman ito. Oh my God. Huy, ang lungkot nito. Sorry. As an OFW, mafe-feel mo talaga na malungkot siya. Ganda ng version niya. Ay! Sasha. Okay. Ay! What's next? Sasha, so medley pala. Mother's Day special pala talaga sila. Ang baba ng notes. Okay, what's next? Ay, ang ganda ng kanta. Ay, oh. Love na love niya kasi itong mama niya eh. Grabe yung lalim ng boses. Nakakalungkot naman tong mga kanta nila. Sorry. Kasi nasa heaven na yung mom nila. Ganda ng boses niya. Wala talagang kupas yung boses niya, no? Kakalungkot. Bakit naman nakakalungkot to? Ay. Ang ganda ng kantang to, ah. Namiss ko tuloy bigla yung mom ko. Nakakalungkot yung mga kanta nila for today's video. Bakit naman? Wow. Yes! What's next? Ay! Diyos ko!
Mga bukas ko ngayong wala ka na sa piling ko.
Oh my God! Si Okay for Mama Bob ito, no?
Paano
Oh my God! Grabe naman yun, Angeline.
mga pangako sa bawat isa.
Martin Rivera.
Kahit isang saglit mayakap ka.
Good morning. Yesterday, you wake up and time has slipped away.
Okay.
Suddenly, it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember, you will remember the laughter and the tears, the shadows of misty yesteryears, the good times and the bad you've seen,
Storyteller talaga siya.
the others in between. Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Reach back for the joys and the sorrow. Put them away in your mind. For memories are time that we borrow to spend when we get to tomorrow.
Okay. Regine. Miss Reg. Bakit hindi kaya sila nag-duet, no? Sino to? Hindi sila nag-duet ni Sir Augie.
Will you remember the times of your
Okay. Yes. Okay. Miss Regina. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin.
If I could, I'd protect you
Ay.
from the sadness in your eyes. Give you courage
Iba talaga siya. Storyteller talaga siya indeed.
to compromise.
Iba talaga siya magbigay ng story, mami.
If I could, I would teach you all the things I never learned, and I'd help you cross the bridges I have burned. Yes, I would if I could.
Okay. Happy Mother's Day, everyone! So, puro pala medley ito. Wow.
I would help you make it through the hungry years. But I know that I can never
Oh,
But I would if I could.
nice.
Yes, I would. If I could.
Galing, galing, galing. Ang galing siya, mami. Balik sila sa Wind Beneath My Wings. Okay. You are beneath. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat! Love it! Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Mother's Day special opening prod ng ASAP natin to. Ang ganda naman ng opening prod nila for today's video. So, I won't take any longer. Putol na natin to. This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!